the vast digital landscape of the 21st century, where content is king, one platform has emerged as the undisputed ruler, YouTube. With millions of videos uploaded every day and billions of views, it's easy to see why YouTube is the go-to place for creators, brands, and viewers alike. But amidst this tidal wave of content, a new trend is quietly taking over: YouTube automation. What if I told you that behind some of the most successful channels, there isn't just a single content creator burning the midnight oil, but rather a finely tuned machine working around the clock? That's right. YouTube automation has become the secret weapon for creators looking to scale, monetize, and dominate the platform like never before. But why has YouTube automation become so popular so quickly? What's driving this rise? And how are creators leveraging it to build empires without lifting a finger? Today, we're peeling back the curtain to explore the phenomenon of YouTube automation and why it's changing the game for content creators everywhere. So, what exactly is YouTube automation? In simple terms, it's the process of creating and managing a YouTube channel using automated systems, tools, and often a team of remote workers. The idea is to streamline the entire content creation process, from brainstorming video ideas to editing, uploading, and even managing social media accounts, so that the channel operates like a well-oiled machine, often with minimal input from the channel owner. One of the primary reasons YouTube automation has taken off is the sheer scalability it offers. Traditional content creation can be incredibly time-consuming. For a solo creator, the process of scripting, filming, editing, and promoting a single video can take days or even weeks. But with automation, creators can produce multiple videos in the same time frame, allowing their channels to grow rapidly. Imagine this. Instead of spending hours agonizing over every detail of your video, you've outsourced the scripting to a talented writer, the voiceover to a professional narrator, and the editing to a skilled video editor, all of whom you found on freelancing platforms. Your only job? Overseeing the process and giving the final green light. This is the power of automation. It's about working smarter, not harder. But automation isn't just about outsourcing tasks. It's also about using technology to your advantage. Tools like AI-powered video editors, thumbnail creators, and even analytics platforms can help creators optimize their content, track performance, and make data-driven decisions, all automatically. This tech-savvy approach means creators can focus on what they do best, coming up with killer ideas and engaging with their audience. And speaking of audience engagement is another area where automation shines. With automated tools, creators can schedule posts, respond to comments, and manage multiple social media accounts without breaking a sweat. This ensures that their brand stays active and engaged, even when they're not physically present. So, why has this trend caught on like wildfire? One word: passive income. YouTube automation offers the tantalizing prospect of earning money while you sleep. By automating content production and management, creators can build multiple channels, each generating revenue through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. With the right strategy, these channels can become steady sources of income with minimal ongoing effort. For entrepreneurs and digital marketers, YouTube automation is a dream come true. It's a way to tap into the platform's massive audience without the constant grind of content creation. It's a system that can be scaled up, diversified, and optimized, turning YouTube from a hobby into a full-fledged business. But it's not just the business-minded who are jumping on the automation bandwagon. Personal brand builders are also leveraging automation to grow their influence. By automating repetitive tasks, they free up time to focus on building their personal brand, networking, and exploring new opportunities. Automation allows them to maintain a consistent online presence, which is key to building trust and authority in their niche. However, like any powerful tool, YouTube automation comes with its challenges. It requires a strategic approach, a solid understanding of the platform's algorithms, and the ability to manage a remote team effectively. There's also the risk of losing that personal touch, the unique voice and style that makes a channel stand out. Balancing automation with authenticity is crucial to maintaining audience loyalty. The future of YouTube automation. As YouTube continues to grow, automation is likely to become even more sophisticated and accessible. With advancements in AI and machine learning, we may soon see fully automated channels that can create, manage, and optimize content with minimal human intervention. The possibilities are endless. But the rise of automation also raises important questions about the future of content creation. Will the platform become dominated by automated channels, Or will there always be room for the passionate creator who does everything by hand? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain. YouTube automation is here to stay, and it's reshaping the way we think about content creation. So, what's your take on YouTube automation? Is it the future of content creation, or does it risk taking the soul out of what makes YouTube special? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're thinking about diving into the world of YouTube automation, or you're just curious to learn more, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the ever-evolving digital landscape. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep creating, whether by hand or by machine.